Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I've got a Glossybox mystery box unboxing to share with you. So this is a box that Glossybox sent me themselves. Because I'm on their PR list, they send me their limited edition boxes and they also send me their monthly subscription boxes. I do have my own private subscription so that I can do giveaways on my Instagram and Facebook pages, etc. And I've been subscribed to Glossybox for over 3 years now, and I will continue to do so because it's a box I really do love. But in the last year or so, I have been fortunate enough to be added onto their PR list, so I do get these as extras and able to show you as well before the boxes are released. So this month's box, the May subscription box, comes in 2 special designs. I'll pop them up here to show you, and the theme is Wild Thing, and in each box is different variations of products, but inside every single box you'll receive a Steve Laurent eyeshadow palette with some really gorgeous colours. So if you didn't know anything about Glossybox, Glossybox costs £13.25 a month. This is UK only Glossybox, and that includes shipping as well. All details and everything I will list down below. Because they're bringing out these 2 special edition boxes, they're anticipating that these boxes may sell out as the month goes on. So if the boxes do sell out, then any new subscribers will receive one of these mystery boxes, which has a value of around £50, and then from June onwards you'll receive a Glossybox as with everyone else. As they sent this to me, I thought I'd do a little video just to show you the type of things that you might receive in a mystery box if you happen to receive one, and then you can gauge then if you want to subscribe and receive a mystery box, or unless you want to wait until the following month and subscribe then. Anyway, so there's no information in this box. It just contains items that have been in previous boxes. So that's how it arrives. So it's packaged exactly the same as the subscription box. Oh my god, oh, I am really chuffed about something, and I'll tell you why. So you might not receive these items because they're generally random mystery mix, but just to give you an idea, I'm not showing you properly there, they all want to fall out. Now the item I'm really excited about is this. This is Style London, and it's an eyeshadow palette, and we received this in, I can't remember what month it was, maybe October, when we had Angel versus Devil subscription box, an amazing subscription box, and this was in the Angel one. Yeah, it's called Angel. This base shade is amazing. It is gorgeous, 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 and my own palette, I've hit pan now. So it's come at the perfect time for me. I am really, really chuffed with it. So yeah, so I got a Style London palette. Then I got a Inuit. It's a little brush. I wonder if this is from the unicorn. I can't remember what the other one was now. We had unicorn and mermaid, maybe? I don't know. We had special edition boxes, and this rings a bell from there. Really pretty brush. Really, really pretty brush. Not really something I would use really, unless I was really carving out a contour maybe, but I don't contour that much in all honesty. But it's a really pretty brush. But maybe my daughter, who's nearly 14, she might want this, so I might give that to her. Then is an eye mask by Vitamasks. I do actually remember getting all these. Don't know what boxes, but I do remember getting them all. But yeah, it's an eye mask, and this is a gold eye mask. It's brightening and firming, made with real gold extract and hyaluronic acids. So got an eye mask. I've got 2 perfumes, which is a little bit random. I'm wondering whether this perfume was in the same boxes as the eyeshadow palettes, the Angel versus Devil. I wonder. Anyway, so this is a perfume by Jean Arthurs. And I think this is quite pricey. This is a limited edition, and if I remember rightly, it is quite a pricey perfume. We've got 30 mils here. What's it smell of? I can't remember now. Yeah, no, it's lovely. It is really, really nice. I've probably got it back behind me in one of my drawers. No, it's nice. It is really nice. So yeah, so we got a 30 ml perfume, and then I got another perfume by Chloe, and this is Nomad. And I would have liked to have something else in the mystery box just to make it a little bit different. So it looks like there. How much is this? I forgot now. This is 5 mils. I'm going to be overwhelmed with smells. Yeah, I remember that smell now. I'm not that keen on it. It's a sort of smell. I like my fruity, fresh, some floral. I don't like rose. But yeah, I'm getting confused with that now. they're mixing together. I'll have to try it. I have had it before. I'll have to try it without this being around just to see. But yeah, so you got a Nomad perfume. So I'll just gather all my items up. So these are the 5 items I received in the Glossybox mystery box. Now this will cost you £13.25, exactly the same as the subscription box, but these items may differ. The value of the box will always outweigh the actual cost of the box. Yeah, it's an okay mystery box. It would have been nice if I had something else except for 2 perfumes. I think that would have been better. So just a short video just to let you know that if Glossybox monthly subscription boxes sell out, you have the option then to sign up and receive a mystery box, and this is the sort of thing that you will get. And then from the next month onwards, you will have, you know, the regular monthly subscription boxes as everybody else. So yeah, it's up to you. Please let me know your thoughts down below. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, as always, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up, and if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care, and I'll speak soon. Bye.